Okay, good morning, students. So last class they discussed about the topic is what is the friction and different types of the friction. Okay, so different types of the friction and so they discussed the also topic is what is the momentum and what is the impulse, what is the law of conservation of the momentum, and give some examples. Okay, and so we discussed the friction types. So that is called as a limiting friction, dynamic friction or kinetic friction, and rolling friction also discussed. Now today discuss the another topic is methods of used to decreasing frictions. Methods used to decreasing friction. So methods to use to decreasing friction. So that is one of these taken polishing and ball bearings and lubricants and streamlining. Okay, so once again repeat. So polishing and ball bearings and third one lubricants, fourth one streamlinings. So these four methods are used to decreasing friction. Okay, so decreasing friction. So now first one taken, so that is the polishing. Okay, so the two contacts between the two bodies. Okay, contact between the two bodies. So the polishing between the two bodies are smoother than. Okay, so because due to the reduce the friction. So that is called as a polishing. Okay, so the floor is a polishing. So polish means so smooth, the friction is very less. Okay, so contact between the two bodies is the frictionless due to the polishing. Okay, so one of the method are used to decreasing friction. Got it? So now discuss the another method. So ball bearings. Ball bearings. So ball bearings is nothing but that is called a steel ball or steel bodies is a placed between the rolling bodies. Okay, just like this is called as a two surfaces. Okay, two surfaces. So two surfaces are taken. These are two surfaces. Okay, these two surfaces are placed. That is the between ball bearings. Okay, so ball bearings, that is the steel balls are placed between the two bodies. So the sliding friction is converting into rolling friction. So the body is moving under, so rolling. Okay, rolling the ball bearings. So due to the reduce the friction. So if in case of sliding, sliding one body to another body, so the friction is more. Okay, got it? So now here ball bearings are placed between the two surfaces. Okay, two surfaces. So the sliding friction is converting into rolling. Okay, is converting into rolling. That is means so due to the reduce the friction by using the ball bearings is the one of the method used. So for example, the cycles are using the ball bearings are used in a cycle wheel. Okay, so the number of uses here taken, the sliding friction is converting into the rolling friction. Okay, got it. Now, so they discuss the another topic is lubricants. So lubricants generally we can use in a daily life. Okay, lubricants, oil, grease. Okay, used due to the smoother the surfaces to reduce the friction. Okay, so surfaces are when the two bodies are contact. So surfaces between the grease or oil be used the thin layers. Okay, between the thin layers we used the oil or grease. So the surfaces are very smooth. Okay, so because they are using the lubricants. Lubricants means oil or grease etc. used in vehicles. Okay, got it. So now we discuss the another topic is streamlining. Okay, what is the streamlining? So automobiles, aeroplanes, okay, so specially designed. Okay, so automobiles, aeroplanes are specially designed. Why? Because the air friction will be reduced. Okay, so because that is nothing but the preparing. So this way. Okay, so that is the aeroplanes, automobiles are preparing just like. So the air is flow just like streamlined flow. Okay, this is called as a streamlined flow. Okay, the air flow is just like is called as a streamlined flow. So the streamlined flow of the air, so reduce the friction due to the air. Reduce the friction due to the air is streamlining. Okay, so streamlining is the one of the method. So the decrease in friction due to the air. Okay, that is the specially designed automobiles and aeroplanes. So the airflow is like a streamlining. Okay, so streamlining, so the reduce the air friction. Okay, reduce the air friction because the one of the method used to streamlining. Got it? Okay, so these are four methods are used in the decreasing friction. Very important topic in IP. Okay, got it? And four methods are used. So one of the method is polishing. So polishing between the two surfaces smoother than the friction will be reduced. So now another technique is the ball bearings. So the ball bearings is the main user. So the sliding friction is converting to the rolling friction. Okay, rolling friction due to the reducing the friction. And so now another technique is the lubricants. So lubricants means oil or grease to be used between the two contact between the two surfaces reduce the friction. And also we use streamlining method. So streamlining method, that is a specially designed automobiles. Okay, specially designed automobiles. Why? That is the streamlined of the air. Okay, the friction will be reduced due to the air. Okay, got it? Right. So now another method discussed. Now the pushing and pulling is taken. So in one of the friction rules, the pushing or compared to the is pulling, or pulling is compared to the pushing. Okay, so one body is pushes. Okay, so pushing the one body is greater than pulling, or so pulling is greater than pushing. So now discuss the topic. So now consider the land roller. Okay, so the land roller placed. Okay, the land roller is placed on horizontal surface. Okay, got it? Horizontal surface. Now, so mg is weight. Okay, weight of the rolling body. Okay, weight of the rolling body is vertically acting downwards. Okay, we can write vertically acting downwards. Okay, got it. So now pulling the land roller with the force is F. Okay, with the horizontal making angle theta. So horizontal component is taken F cos theta, and vertical component is taken F sin theta, and also normal reaction is acting. Normal reaction N means normal reaction. Okay, normal reaction is acting vertically upward. Okay, so now clearly observe here. So first of all, the land roller is placed on surface of the earth. Okay, land roller is placed on surface of the earth, horizontal surface of the earth. Now force F acting on a land roller and pulling the land roller making angle theta with the horizontal. Okay, with the horizontal. Now the force F divided between two components. One is the horizontal component, another is the vertical component. Horizontal component F cos theta and vertical component F sin theta. Okay, got it. Now, so here the forces are acting on a land roller is taken. So mg is the weight of the land roller completely is vertically acting. Okay, got it. Now N is the normal reaction, is opposite to weight, is completely vertical. Okay, that is the downwards is upwards. F sin theta, F cos theta. So F cos theta horizontal component, F sin theta is also vertical component, is acting upwards. Is acting upwards. Now, so upward force is equal to the downward force. Upward force is equal to downward force. Okay, got it. So now taken F sin theta, okay, plus F sin theta plus N is equal to mg is taken. N is equal to mg minus F sin theta is taken. According to mu, so mu is called as the coefficient of friction. Coefficient of friction. Here taken rolling friction. Coefficient of rolling friction. So mu r is equal Fr by N. Fr by N. So Fr is equal. So this is the formula. So mu r coefficient of rolling friction is equal Fr by N. So Fr is equal mu r into N. Okay, got it. So mu r N is mg minus F sin theta is taken. Okay, so this is called as a Fr. Okay, so Fr is equal to mu r mg minus F sin theta. So now consider the one of the method is the pulling is completed. Now is to discuss the another topic is the pushing. Okay, so pushing is taken. Now here also taken. So the mg is acting downwards. Mg is the weight of the land roller, and normal reaction is acting upward direction. So the pulling, the pushing, and the force is acting just like F, and normal reaction is taken. That is the horizontal component F cos theta is taken. So making angle theta, and F sin theta is acting downwards. Okay, F sin theta is acting downwards. Now the force F is acting through pushing. Okay, so push, the F is the force is acting just like, and so the theta is the making angle with the horizontal component, and so the mg is acting vertically downwards, and n is the acting upwards. Okay, F sin theta is also acting downwards. So now the land roller is placed in the horizontal surface, and F will be the force will be applied on a land roller, and the pushing them and making angle theta with the horizontal, and the horizontal component and vertical component. Horizontal component F cos theta and vertical component F sin theta is acting downwards. So upward forces is called downward forces. So upward forces is taken, N is equal to M G plus F sin theta. We can write. So pushing. Okay. So mu r is equal to Fr by N. So Fr is equal to mu r into N. So mu r, N is taken mg plus F sin theta. Okay. So the here taken pulling and here taken pushing. Okay, so the pulling and pushing is compared to the, so Fr is called mu r minus mg minus F sin theta. Fr is equal mu r, N is equal mu r mg plus F sin theta. Okay, so the pulling is easy to compare to the pushing. Okay, pulling is easy to the compare to the pushing is represented these two equations. Okay, okay, got it. Right, now discuss the another topics, Newton's second law, and derive the equation F is equal to ma on a next class. Okay, thank you students.